In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off professional mode on Facebook. Now, if you can't find that option where you can turn off professional mode, you have turned it on, but after you want to turn it off, it doesn't show up. Like there is no option where you can where you can turn off professional mode. You don't see this turn professional mode off. Now don't worry guys, just follow these exact steps and this is going to be quick and easy tutorial for you guys. All you have to do for me is to drop a like on this video. I'm going to be showing you guys a solution for this problem. Now after you click on three little dots next to see dashboard here, you don't see the turn professional mode off. Like if you click here, you will turn off professional mode, but it doesn't show up. Now here is what you want to do guys. Now I'm going to show you guys the best method for this. You want to just, first thing guys, you want to just update the app to the latest version. If you are using Android or iPhone, just search for on App Play Store or App Store for Facebook and make sure you have the latest version on your Facebook account. Now after you search for Facebook, make sure, like I said, you have the latest version, and if it says they're open, that means you have the latest version. But if it says update, then that means you don't have the latest version and you have to click on update so that you will have the latest version. As you can see, it says here for me update. You want to click on update and wait for it to update. Now if it doesn't work guys, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you guys the second method which will work for you 100%. Now the first thing guys, you want to click menu at the very bottom right. If you are using Android, you will find three little lines in the top right. Now after that guys, after you click on menu guys, as you can see, after you click on menu, you will find a few different options here. You want to scroll down and click on help and support, and click on report a problem, and turn this toggle this on, where it says check phone to report a problem. Toggle this on. If it's off, make sure to toggle it on. Now go back, okay, here, and then click on three little dots next to see dashboard. Click three little dots, and here you wanna shake your phone, okay, move it like this quickly. Move it and you will see this pops up. Now what you want to do guys, you want to click on report a problem and click on include in report. And here what you want to do guys, you want to just click hi Facebook, I don't have the option where I can turn off professional mode on my Facebook account. So that's exactly, you don't have to type the same thing. You just want to say, hi, I can turn off professional mode on Facebook. I have a problem, please help. That's it. And then click send in the top right. So I already sent him this message. So send this message, click send in the top right, and then they will get back to you with a solution within 24 hours. So please guys, be patient and come back to this video within 24 hours and the problem will be resolved. So make sure to drop a like I said, and see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.